This is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So, in order for us to be able to set the screen sleep timer value to never, we will need to use the help of the free third-party application that is called Caffeine. So let me just open the app gallery. Next, I'll type in the name of the app and see whether it can provide me with the corresponding result. So it is not over here. So what we need to do in this case is, let me close the app real quick. Yeah, got it. I don't want to have it minimized. So open any search engine that you'd like, then type in Caffeine APK. So in here we'll try to find this particular app. That's the one that we were looking for. Caffeine Keep the Screen On. You can just directly go to the apkpure.com website in order to get it, but the search has provided me with the link, so I'll download it from here. Yeah. So confirm the download process. Then allow any search engine that you use to install apps from external sources. Now, let me try to install it once again, like so. Once the security check has been performed, just confirm the installation. And then after the Caffeine app has been downloaded and installed on your device, launch it and set the screen timeout value to the infinite. And as long as you do not close it, as long as the app is active at the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.